Fitness, muscle building and gym workouts have gone beyond the traditional all-male club. With the hype over fitness and health and a healthy lifestyle, women have joined the club as well. However, men and women have different fitness needs. Women's fitness and exercise needs are focused on the muscles of the upper back. Most of their exercise workouts are also designed for the stomach muscles, especially those who have just given birth. At the same time, exercises for women are usually designed for weight loss. And while men tend to focus on muscle building whereas women work on toning their muscles, strength training is important for both. Here are a few things to make you women out there go out and start building up your muscle strength. Make the performance of your usual tasks easier with a physically strong body. Chores will be easier, lifting your kids, the grocery or the laundry will be a piece of cake. Consequently, it will reduce possible strain on the muscles and injury. Training can increase a woman's strength by 30 to 50%. Lose fat at the same time. A strength training done 2 to 3 times a week for a span of 2 months can result to 2 pounds of muscles and would mean a reduction of 3.5 pounds of fat. The more muscles and less fat, the faster is the metabolism, which ultimately means your body burns calories faster than normal. Fight osteoporosis. Weight training increases spinal bone mineral density, which means lesser chances of the risk of osteoporosis. Fight heart disease and diabetes. Weight improvement improves cardiovascular health by lowering the bad cholesterol and blood pressure. It also improves glucose use in the body by 23%, which reduces the risk of diabetes. The road to a healthier you. Not only does it promote a healthier body, but it also develops a healthier attitude and a healthier heart. Women who engage in regular strength training are more confident, with a more positive outlook in life. So how do you get started? For those who lead very busy lifestyles, hitting the gym and starting on a regular fitness plan may seem the perfect way to keep fit. But for most, starting out on a regular walking exercise is the way to go. Start at a manageable rate. A 10 to 15 minute walk is a good way to start. Prior to a workout, make sure to stretch your major muscles. Work your muscles on the front of your thighs. Stretch your shoulder muscles by standing straight and rolling the shoulders backward in a circular motion. And of course, don't forget to observe proper nutrition. Load up on water to prevent dehydration. Consume carbohydrates before starting on your workout. For those with joint and bone diseases, swimming may prove to be a less stressful activity for your muscles. But the most important is, make time for your exercise. If you can't hit the gym or start on a regular workout plan, make sure that your day is filled with enough physical activity that keeps you going and always on the go. Women's fitness is the key to your beauty.